Hello and welcome to Module 7 on maximizing hydrocarbon recovery. Here, we'll focus on 4 key areas. First, we'll look at recovery drive mechanisms. We'll establish that a number of driving mechanisms force oil to the surface, and we'll recognize that there is a natural drive from the reservoir, but this eventually reduces, leaving up to potentially 75% of the oil in the reservoir. Next, we'll focus on primary recovery. We'll look at gas cap drive, water drive, combination drive, and what's known as solution gas drive. Third area, we'll look at secondary recovery. We'll focus on 2 key techniques of secondary recovery, that's gas injection and water flooding. And our fourth area will be tertiary or enhanced oil recovery. This will include chemical flooding, miscible displacement, as well as thermal recovery. So let's have a look at reservoir drive mechanisms. How is oil forced to the surface? Now there are a number of drive mechanisms to be aware of, and we'll go through them in this module. What we know is that these mechanisms eventually reduce in their effectiveness. And this natural flow, this natural drive, eventually reduces to a trickle, and then it stops completely. And at this stage, there can still be up to 75% of the oil left in the reservoir. Now, this initial stage of production, this natural drive from the reservoir, is known as primary recovery. We'll then move on to look at the second stage, known as secondary recovery, and the third stage, known as tertiary recovery, or EOR.